So at this point, we are now through with the M phase or the mitotic phase, in which it is subdivided into 5 substages known as prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And at the end of the telophase, the cell will now proceed to the next stage of the M phase known as the cytokinesis. Okay? So cytokinesis is defined as the division of the cytoplasm. So recall that cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure of the cell that consists of biomolecules and other important inorganic substances like water. So it is 90% water. Okay? So in our animation, we have the division of the cytoplasm. And this is known as cytokinesis. So let's proceed to the next slide. Okay? Did you know, class, that cytokinesis differ? Okay? It really differs from the plant cell and the animal cell. In other words, the process of cytokinesis of animal cell is different from the process of cytokinesis to the animal cell. Okay? So they differ in terms of cytokinesis. So let's try to discuss further the cytokinesis for the animal cell. Okay? So the process of cytokinesis for the animal cell is known as cleavage. Okay? Cleavage is the process of cytokinesis in animal cells. Okay? So known as cleavage. And the first sign of cleavage is the formation of this shallow groove known as cleavage furrow. So you have cleavage furrow. Cleavage furrow is known as the shallow groove. Okay? So whenever say shallow groove, it is a narrow pathway. Narrow pathway. Okay? A narrow pathway that is located at the center of the cell. Actually, the shallow groove, which is the narrow pathway known as the cleavage furrow, is actually located at the former equatorial plate that we have encountered under the metaphase stage of mitosis. Okay? So a cleavage furrow is the first sign of cleavage, which is the sign of cytokinesis. And cleavage furrow is defined as the shallow groove, which means it is the narrow pathway located at the center of the cell, which is actually a former old equatorial or metaphase plate. Okay? So, for our next question, where can we find the cleavage furrow? So, we answered this already. And it was stated that the cleavage furrow is located in our imaginary line at the center of the cell known as the metaphase plate. So, it is located near the old metaphase plate. And take a look with the formation of cytokinesis for animal cell. Its occurrence among the animal cell goes like this. So let's try to discuss the process of cytokinesis for animal cells. So kindly note the following information. First, the first sign is the formation of cleavage furrow, okay, which is the shallow groove. To reiterate once more. So these are the cleavage furrows. And under cytokinesis, we have the formation of this structure known as the contractile ring. Contractile ring. Okay? So you have contractile ring. Okay, so contractile ring is actually made up of proteins. These proteins are known as myosin and microfilament. Okay? So, contractile ring is actually made up of proteins, and these proteins are known as myosin and microfilament. Okay? So contractile ring is one of the essential features of cytokinesis among the animal cells along with the cleavage furrow. So for the next question, for the further clarification, let's try to relate cleavage furrow to the size of the contractile ring. Okay, so I'll repeat. Relate cleavage furrow to the size of the contractile ring as we go along with the cytokinesis among animal cells. Okay, so take a look with the animation. So as you notice, as the cleavage furrow becomes deeper, what happened to the contractile ring? It becomes smaller or it becomes larger in size. So it is very obvious that as the cleavage furrow becomes deeper, then the contractile ring becomes smaller. And as a result, there will be a separation within the cytoplasmic component of the cell, which is cytokinesis. So this is the occurrence of cytokinesis among animal cells. So as you notice in our illustration, at the end, we have two daughter cells. Indeed, mitosis is a kind of cell division in which the parent cell divides into two to form two daughter cells. So that is our notion, okay? So to review once more, as the cleavage furrow becomes deeper, then the contractile ring becomes smaller until the daughter nucleus, or let's say the daughter cells, separate to one another. Okay? So that is the cytokinesis for the animal cell.